This is an advertisement.
Engineers, it's time for some hands-on science. After spending time as a robotic beaver in hoppers, I have a whole new respect for how hard these little builders work. So today, we're gonna try building the same way. Step 1 is site selection. Beavers usually choose shallow, slow-moving parts of a stream where it's easier to anchor materials and slow the water down. So if this is our river, I think this narrow, shallow section right here looks like a good building spot. Beavers actually cut down trees. Their front teeth never stop growing, and they use them like built-in chisels to gnaw through logs and branches. Now, we start building. Beavers wedge large branches and logs across the current, anchoring them into the riverbed and the banks. Already slowing it down a little. Yep, Mabel would be proud. I would know. Next, beavers pack mud, grasses, and plants into gaps to seal everything tight. Once the pond is deep enough, beavers often build a lodge in the middle of it. The lodge isn't the dam, it's their home. They pile sticks into a mound and seal the outside with mud. Inside is a dry living chamber. The entrance is underwater, so predators can't get in. But beavers can swim in and out safely. They're a keystone species. Beavers build dams that turn little streams into ponds, and those ponds become homes for lots of animals and plants. Don't miss Disney and Pixar's new movie Hoppers, now in theaters.